Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable HDR settings or at least access them and modify them within Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. You want to open up search and type in settings. Best match to come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And on this page, you want to select System, so select the System tile. On the right side, underneath Windows HD Color, get a brighter and more vibrant picture for videos, games, and apps that support HDR. Select the Windows HD Color settings link. And then at this point, if your system supported HDR settings, you would be able to show high dynamic range and wide color gamut content when possible. You can configure these settings through here for whichever monitors you have, assuming your system supports it. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.